What is rotation?
The movement of Earth on its axis is called rotation.
The movement of the earth on its own axis is called?
Rotation.
Hello Vidhi.
Hello, ma'am.
The movement of the earth around the sun is called?
Revolution. Hello, ma'am.
In which direction the sun rises?
East.
Thank you. Sit down. Hello Zafreen.
Hello, ma'am.
In which direction the sun sets?
West.
Thank you. Sit down. Hello Naksh.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
In how much time does the earth complete its one revolution?
365 days.
Thank you. Sit down. Hello Aryan.
Hello, ma'am.
In how much time does the earth complete its one rotation?
24 hours.
Thank you. Hello Aditya.
Hello, ma'am.
In how much minutes does the earth complete its one rotation?
1440 minutes.
Thank you.